really weird is happening today in our house.
Ano yan?
Something
Ano
really
ba?
weird is happening. Someone is laughing. Babe, who's laughing? I have no idea. Oh, babe, no way. That's so scary. There's someone laughing. That's really scary.
Ang dumi ng camera.
Who is that? Babe, no way. What's going on? First, we saw the dogs. Yeah, with a strange smile. And then we are wearing a strange dress. Something really weird is happening today. I told you. Oh, I'm so mad. I'm so mad. Yes,
I told
guys,
you.
I'm so scared right now. That's so weird. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, guys, yeah, something strange is happening. So,
Hey guys, it's your boyfriends and my yeah guys, we are back with another bundle! Yes, I'm gonna be so happy. Look guys, it's so cute! Yeah, I'm so happy! Today is so happy! And this evening, we got a lot of treats! Yes!
and guys, if you're new to the channel, smash the like button and the subscribe button, but something strange is happening today! Okay, Dave, someone is laughing, I need to check. So, you need to pick up her dog, oh yeah, you need to pick up her dog.
Okay, but you need to be careful. There is someone in your house.
Yeah, babe, I know, I will check, okay?
Yes, be careful. We stay here.
Okay, you stay there, we don't dog!
Yes, we will wait for you.
Yeah, wait for me, babe. So guys, there is someone laughing in our house. And we saw dogs outside with a strange smile like that. Yeah, guys, like that. So I need to check on the house. Come on. Let's check on our bed. Yeah, maybe there is someone. Come on. No. What? There is no one right here? Okay, guys, on the bed. There is no one. But there is someone laughing in our house. Again. Maybe I need to check outside. Babe, I'm going to check outside, okay?
Okay, be careful.
I will be careful, guys. I'm going to open the door and let's check outside because the dogs with the strange smile went outside. So I need to check outside, guys. So, guys, I'm outside right now. I'm outside. Yeah, guys, I'm outside. Look, and I'm going to check. What? Guys, no way. Return the papers. Guys, the dogs left messages. Yeah, guys, the dogs left messages. No way. Okay, guys, there are so many messages right here. I need to check. I don't have to tell anything to her because everything gets hurt. Oh, yeah, man. Come on. You want your dog? Guys, they want your dog? Those dogs? Oh, yeah, man. They want your dog. So, guys, those dogs are not joking. They are smiling. Yeah, they can stop smiling. Look at that. And they want your dog. Why? Yeah, right. That's so scary. Man. Yeah, that's so scary, man. I cannot believe it. Those dogs want her dog. Oh, yeah. They can stop smiling. Look at that. No way. I'm going to cry. What? They have to smile like us? Our dog? No way. This is a very creepy message. This is a very creepy one. And there is a strange smile right here. Oh yeah, guys. There is a strange smile right there. No way. That's so scary, guys. That's so scary. They left some messages outside. Those dogs want our dog. They need to stop, man. Yeah, they need to stop. They are so creepy. Look, guys, they are so creepy. Look at the smile. Okay. I'm going to alert Sober because that's so scary. That's so creepy. Babe,
What's up, then?
babe, I found so many strange messages outside.
Seriously?
Yeah, and we need to be careful because they want your dog.
Are you serious?
Yeah, babe, I'm serious. They want your dog. They are very strange dogs and they're smiling like dogs.
Oh no, we need to be careful then.
Yeah, we need to be careful, babe, okay? We need to be very careful. Babe, did you hear the strange laugh?
Yes, and what is our dog? Look, it disappeared.
Guys, our dog just disappeared. No way. Hey. No. What? What? Hey. That is our dog. Oh yeah, outside. Yes, look. Babe, look.
Yes, I see it. That's our dog.
Yeah, babe, that's our dog. He just stopped smiling. He became like them.
Oh, that's really scary, guys. Look, that's our dog.
Yeah, guys, look. Can you spot him? Yeah, he's behind the tree. Look, he's behind the tree.
I'm really scared.
Oh, babe, we need to go. We need to go near the tree. Come on, because he can stop smiling.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, guys, we have to go near the tree right now. Right now.
Yes, we need to go, guys.
Oh, guys, no way. That's so scary. Oh, dog, he stopped smiling.
That's really scary, guys. And that's so sad.
Yes, the smile curse. The smile.
That's the smile curse for sure.
Yeah, babe, come on, come on. Let's go near the tree. Let's go. What?
Look, that's our dog. He's right there.
Yeah, guys, that's so bad. You can stop smiling. Please come back.
He's so scary.
Yeah, it's so scary. Look at that, guys. Our dog can stop smiling.
Yes, he's right there. Look, guys, he's right there.
Yeah, behind the tree, guys. No way. No way. No! Babe, he disappeared in front of our eyes.
Where is he?
Oh, guys, our dog just disappeared. Our dog disappeared.
Where did he go?
I don't know, babe. I don't know. That's so scary. That's so scary. Our dog can stop smiling and he disappeared.
Yes, we saw him, guys. He was right there, but then he disappeared.
Help! Help!
Where are you?
Oh, guys, we just lost our dog. He can stop smiling.
That's so scary, isn't it?
Yeah, yes, the smile curse. The smile curse.
Yes, we saw him, guys. He can stop smiling.
What? There's a strange laptop? What? Wait! No way! No way! No way! No way!
We need to check.
Yeah, guys, we need to check. We saw the cameras outside.
Your dog's cameras?
Yeah, babe, look, it's written your dog's cameras. And we need to check right now.
Yes, we need to check right now.
I hate them.
Oh, they are so cute, but they are so scary at the same time. Look at this smile.
Yeah, they have the smile curse. Look at that.
Yes, that's really scary, guys.
Yeah, guys.
Mama, 你也吃。妈妈辛苦了。我要吃鱼肉。妈妈，我也想喝。
Ayun na ikaw.
Ikaw? Ano sa? Ay, ako mimit. Ako, kapit. Ayaw working, ma'am.
Ano na tayo aalis eh?
Masira
Ano
tayo.
tayo sa school ni Kuya?
Masira tayo.
Huwag mo kasi tuktukin.
Ayaw working. Malinaw? Ooh, paninit to, ma. Ayaw loud. Ma, paninit to.
Wala, hindi na load. Huwag mo nga kasing tuktukin. Ay,
Paninit to.
init.
Makawa mo. Masira tayo.
Mga kakatindi.
Mama, Mama, itu putol, this is ganito. Putol yan? Ako, wala na TV tayo. Ah! Haking na. Ay, okay. Mama, wala na, broke na.
Ha?
Ma, yung broke.
Ay, tapat mo kasi sa sensor.
Santol? 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 Santol?
To people. La 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 la.
Oh, it's perfect. Okay na, Mama. Mama, okay na. Ma, okay na.
Next time, I'll be prepared to defend myself against the strong lady. Cross!
Ay, nako. Wala nang laman ng wrap.
Next time, I'll be prepared to defend myself against the strong lady.
Lady, you are my lady.
Hadog ma? Sabi hadog. Hala, wala na nagsira TV tayo.
Next time, I'll be...
Ayaw ka.
Huwag mo nga kasi, bakit sinatapos mo kasi ang remote?
One more. Kumalo ako din. At, Ama, sakit ako. Ito.
Gitna ka tuloy. Ay, naalis na.
Ano mo?
Ito pa dito. Akin na nga.
Oh.
Ah. Hala. Ayan na. Ah.
Ah! Ay,
Ay, nakalive nga pala tayo. Shout out everyone! Nakalive nga pala ako. Kalimutan ko. Update lang po yan. Ilang araw nang walang update. Busy-busy pa ang nanay.
Ma, what's the battery? Ito. Color, ubos na, Ma.
Okay na kasi tinanggal mo pa.
Ma, Mama, dito sa labas. Are you working?
Ah. Nainip na naman si Jenny. Na. Translate on. Hello po. Sir Nasty, good morning. Mary, Sis Jenaline. Salamat naman. Update lang ako. Habang nagpapakain
Gagan na,
ka.
Mama. Gagan na. Gagan na. Ay,
Kamaingay, ang ingay.
amertin na.
Nakalive nga pala ako, nalimutan ko. Tapos Gigi, tingnan mo yung dagdag sa paninda ko. marunong mapaglagyan siya. Habit ko lang sa pinto, ano. Diba? Para-paraan lang. Mamimili ako mamaya. Kasi walang pasok bukas. Mag-check ako attendance. Saan? Attendance saan?
Guys, we didn't believe it. We
Wala
had to
pa
see
ata
it
entry dyan sa
ourselves.
points
It's all over social
natin.
media. They're everywhere.
Sabing busy. Sa Monday, baka pwede ko nang iwanan to si JM. Babalikan ko na lang. Oo. Mamaya, mamimili na ako. Ay. Mamimili ako mamaya. Mga kape naman idadagdag ko. Kape. Mga ganun. Kape, gatas, Milo, mga ganun naman. Unti-unti lang. Mabubuo rin yan. Maghapon ako sa school. Ang punta ko talaga doon ay 11:30 hanggang 5 na kami doon. Isang 5:30 pa. Eh ngayon, mas maaga. 10:30 aalis na ako. May meeting yung dalawa kong anak. 11 yung meeting ng panganay ko. Tapos tong si JM, alas 3. Eh, kaysa uuwi pa ako, mamamasahe lang ako. Ay, mag-aantay na lang ako dun.
Look at that car structure. Look at it. Did you not see what happened to those people? Come on. So nice looking. Yo, wake up.
Shout out, 6 million viewers. Ay, 12 million na pala. Hello po sa inyong lahat. Salamat sa pagsilip-silip. Mas gahol pala ako sa oras ng ganito. Yung magkaibang oras ang dalawa ko. Tapos sa umaga naman, kaya minsan hindi ako makapunta sa live ni nanay. Diga, gigising ako ng 4 o'clock. Tapos alis ang anak ko ng 5:20. Natutulog ulit ako. Kasi pag hindi ako umidlip, ang hirap antukin doon sa may overpass. Inaantayan ko kay JM. Ang hirap antukin. Sobrang init. Tapos inaantok ka pa. Hindi mo alam kung anong pwesto ang gagawin mo. Sa haba ba naman ang oras ng pag-aantay, nauubusan kami ng pag-uusapan. Nagastos talaga sis. Pag nag-uwian ako, bali ang pamasahe pa lang namin, 100 na. 100 na lahat. Sa amin lang yun ni JM ha. Ay yung panganay ko pa. Tapos baon pa nila. Masasanay. Masasanay din. Magdala ka folding bed o banig. Duyan nga inaano ko eh. Iniisip ko duyan ang dalhin. May sabitan dun, di ba? Yung ano sa overpass. Nakakahiya namang maglatag ng banig dun. Mamaya baka pag nakatulog ako, pagising ko, ang dami ko ng barya sa baba. Baka pagising ko, may pampamasahin na ako pa uwi. Ang dami ng baryang naghulog. Bilisan mo, be. Sino yan?
Ito, mama. Ganda ito, mama.
Ay, talaga? Ganda si mama? Uy. Mukhang may gusto ka. Anong gusto mo? New toy?
Toy? Hindi toy.
Gulero.
I want a waffle.
Bilisan mo kumain.
Yogurt.
Burger. Just want to Pero nga. Naglaga nga akong saging sis, magbabaon ako. Sigurado na naman ang gutom. Ang mahal ng pagkain dun eh. Kapatid daw gusto niya. Ayaw na nga niya. Ayaw nga niya ng kapatid. Alis dyan, bebe. Hindi na daw siya ang baby, pero ayaw niya naman ng may baby kaming bago.
Ten?
Gusto ko? Basta babae.
20?
Ayaw na ng asawa ko, sis. Okay na daw tong dalawa. Kasi hindi rin niya sure kung babae ang magagawa niya. Tama na tong dalawa. Maghahanap na lang ako ng mamimigay ng bata.
No.
Bilisan mo, be. Pero ikaw gusto. JM, pumayag ka na. Ah, gusto mo ng kapatid, be? Baby girl? Hindi, bakit ayaw mo? Baby girl? Gusto mo baby girl?
Boy,
Ayoko nga ng boy eh.
ako pag-friends, ako sa M. Ako Barbie.
Barbie ka?
Ikaw Barbie.
Ako?
Mama, baby. Ah, wala Barbie. Mama, okay, ka boy. Boy, yes. Diba? Mama, get ko yung mama. Papa, okay?
Nga?
Ano ba yung papa?
Si Papa na lang mang babae? Akala ko maghanap ka na lang ng gagawa sa'yo. Pasaway. Ayaw na ni Jowa, magbaback to zero na naman daw ako. Hanggang dalawa lang ang kaya niyang buhaying anak. Hello, Sis Lucy Warren. Good evening to you. Thank you.
One now.
Pastor na ba? Madali na naman tayo nito.
Mama, papa ba? Ma. Tama.
Nasaan na ba yung bagong bili kong battery? May bagong bili akong battery. Ano nakalagay?
Basta.
Bus na agad. Mamaya hanapin natin. Huwag mo kasing tuktukin. Diyos ko, sa maghapon ka sa school, madami ka nang magagawa sa bahay. Oo, sis. Alam mo ba ang labahin ko, sis? Tambak na. Tambak na. Yung tupiin ko, tambak na. Yung labahin ko, tambak na. Mamaya ako ano. Ay, may event tayo mamaya. May laro tayo mamaya. Magpapalaro si Inay. 6 p.m. Pag uwi ko. Paano pala ako mamimili? Oo nga pala.
Ma, akong tayo now. Oh, buti na. Ay, hindi ba? Ako.
Halos ano din, 5 hours akong naghihintay sa school.
Eh,
Pero next week, baka umuwi na ako. Maglalakad na lang ako pa uwi. Dadala ko malaking payong.
Secrecy Plus. For 50 times more sun protection with SPF 50, triple day cover for direct skin in 7 days without stickiness.
Ay, wala kayong tubig? Bakit? Hapon pa ang dating. Naku, ang hirap ng walang tubig. Oo nga. Hanggat wala ka pa daw sa live, hindi mag-start yung games. Hi, Nenay. Pwede naman kayo mag-start eh. Lista mo muna yung mananalo. Sabihin mo kay Mary, start na tayo. Ako na bahala sa maglista. Baka maaga naman kami ngayon kasi may meeting naman eh. Meeting naman ngayon eh. Alas 3 ang meeting. Mga 5:30 siguro nandito na ako. PTA na naman. Yeah, special. Papalaro ni Nanay yung binigay ni Sir Luxor.
It's waterproof over here, guys. It's waterproof.
You can go away.
Excitement, kid. I see
Ay,
sunlight.
luto na siguro yung saging ko.
It looked like sunlight. I don't feel like it.
Bro. Bro.
We're just back
Oh,
here.
I almost
Every
fell.
single time.
This map drives you insane. It makes you lose your mind.
Sitting again. Ha? Makigulo sa games.
Why is it my
Anong makigulo?
Is there a point?
Lalangoy din tayo. Malay mo ngayon yung araw natin sa paglangoy, sa pagtakbo.
Guys, it just moves back to where we were.
I called
Babawi tayo ngayon.
forever.
Para mawala yung sama ng loob mo.
Face this way.
It's gonna drive my mind insane.
I remember when we
Para mawala yung sama ng loob mo sa pagtakbo-takbo.
you went this way.
Oy, Sis May, good morning. Thank you.
Wait. We didn't ever try this one.
Let's not do the
Sis May, punta ka mamaya kay Nanay Nene. 6 p.m. May duck race doon.
Water here.
Nasend ko na yung panalo mo, sis, ha? Ng isang araw pa. Mag-attendance ka sa description box ni Ma'am Nene.
That leads to the perimeter again. I remember.
Meron na bang nakaano? Pilihan mo, be.
ay ko na.
Ayaw mo na.
This voice is driving me insane! Did you see that? He's flying!
Oh,
Sa live kanina, nagtamsak lang ako dun. Sige.
The music stopped. He's just looking at us.
Nagtamsak lang ako dun.
Straight middle, straight.
Kain na sis. Nagluto ka na? Ano ulam mo dyan? Hindi ka pa, wala ka ng estudyante. Parang Joselito na lang ang inasikaso mo.
3, 2, 1.
Si pare mo nga eh. Si Mar may may lagnat. Ang lakas ng be. Umuwi ka gabi, nagpahilot, nilalagnat. Pero kailangan niyang pumasok ngayon eh. Kulang ang tao niya. Sige, puntahan ka mamaya pag-end ko. Ilang minutes? Ay, naka 32 minutes na ako sis. Mag-end na ako, maliligo na rin kami. Description box. Ano ko nga?
Jump. Fish. Turtle. Fish. Jump.
Hmm? May itatanong pala ako sa'yo.
Fish.
Hulaan mo, ano ulam namin?
Jump. This is way
Saan ba yung description box? Post.
in the sky. Duck. In the sky. Out. Now close the eyes. It's raining taco. Yum 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 yum. This is raining cheese.
Paanong manok?
Yum,
Ay, hindi ka nga pala nakainom.
It's raining.
Alin ba itong kay Taiki PTV? Meron na ako dito eh, 5 days ago pa.
Triple-phobia tornado is coming straight for my house. It's going to get here in a few minutes. I'm going to calculate how much time we have
One day.
left before this tornado.
Ito bang mga inano niya, sinare niya sis? Alin ba?
I'm going to use this special tornado weather station. It shows that the tornado is right next
May
to
mga
the lake
comment
where
na ako
Hansi
dito.
Monster lives.
Si
If the
Alona,
tornado reaches the lake,
kay
Hansi
Ma'am
Monster is
Husky.
going to get sucked into one of the holes of the triple-phobia tornado.
Mamaya ko pupuntahan
Meanwhile,
ito.
our car is being transformed into an anti-tornado car.
Hala, napaka-special.
Tornado without getting sucked in. When the time hits zero, the tornado will strike my house. Look at the Fitzroy barometer.
Okay na to, mag-end na ako sis. Thank you ha.
That means the storm is
PM ko yung link.
The only way
Salamat.
triple-phobia tornado is to create an even more powerful tornado.
Mag-end na ako, magliligo na kami. Mga 10:30, dat paalis na kami ng bahay. 10:45. May meeting ako sa high school ko, 11 o'clock. Bye-bye na sis, thank you. Kita tayo mamaya. Sige, mamaya puntahan ko. I-play ko habang naliligo ako. Bye-bye na, salamat ha. Thank you.